will call the Health and Human Services meeting to order. Roll call, please.
Commissioner Marecki?
Here.
Commissioner Dobb?
Here.
Commissioner Anderson?
Here.
Commissioner Killeen?
Right here.
Chair Baker McCormick?
Here.
You have
Next
the quorum
item.
present.
Thank you.
We're moving to item B, Chairwoman.
I have none today. Next item.
We're moving to item C, approval of the February 8th, 2022 meeting minutes.
Is there a motion for approval?
Yeah, I'll
So
move
moved.
approval. And I support. Marecki moves, Colleen supports.
All right, I'll take it.
I saw you reaching, Terry.
Anyone opposed? All right, motion passed. Next item.
We're moving past item D, unfinished business, to item E, new business. Item E1, discussion with Beaumont Government Relations Committee on the merger between Beaumont and Spectrum.
So we decided to table that discussion for a later date to ensure that Beaumont had all of the information needed to give us more details of the merger. So we'll table that. Do I need a motion for that?
You don't, Madam Chair. It's just a discussion item. We can put it back on whenever you're ready for us to.
Great. All right, then we'll move to the next item.
We're moving to item E2, communication requesting commission approval of amendment number 4 to a 5-year contract with a 1-year option to renew between the Charter County of Wayne and Assured Family Services.
All right, is there someone on to discuss this from the administration?
Yes, this is Cecily Hoagland, Administrator in the Juvenile Youth Service Division, HHVS.
Thank you, Ms. Hoagland.
Okay, so this item is amendment number 4. It is adding the funds that we received from the network and also adding funds for child welfare, for child abuse and neglect, for services that Assured Family Services provides. They're the service provider for these services. So we take the funds and add it to their contract, and it offsets like the general fund.
Thank you. Are there any questions from commissioners?
Yeah, Madam Chair.
Go right ahead, Vice Chair Killeen.
Yeah, got my hand up too late. Ms. Hoagland, what was the source of the funds? You said you got it from providers?
No, from the network, Detroit Wayne Integrated Health Network, the IGA that we have with the network.
That's what I thought you meant. That, but I just want that clear, the relationship between the county and our mental health authority,
Yes.
or integrated health authority, Detroit Wayne Integrated Health Network. Okay,
All right,
great.
thank you.
This is beautiful. Yep, thank you. And I'll move its approval, Madam Chair.
Support.
Thank you. It's been moved and supported for this recommendation to move forward to full board. Are there any other questions or concerns on this item? Discussion? All right, if there are none, we'll move to the next item.
We're moving to item E3, the reappointments of Thomas Fielder and Ronald S. Taylor to the Substance Use Disorder Oversight Policy Board.
Great. Do we have either party here to welcome them aboard, or any discussion? It does not look like either party is here today. Right. Any discussion from commissioners? All right, so is there a motion to move this recommendation to the full board?
So moved.
Madam, go ahead, Commissioner Anderson.
So moved.
And it's been supported? Okay. All right.
And Madam Chair, I'll support that. Did somebody support it?
I believe
did.
Mareki.
But if you want to, Commissioner Clooney.
Oh, okay. Yeah, both these individuals have been on the SUD board, and both of them have been very much contributing members to that board. So I'm in support of the renomination as well.
All right. Okay.
Sorry, Madam Chair, this is
Yes.
Pamela. Is that for items 2 and 3? I don't recall hearing a vote on item
Yes,
2.
I'm sorry. We're going to do both of those together.
Okay,
two,
thank you.
2 and 3. Mhm. All right. So it's been moved and supported for both items to move forward to the full board. All those in favor, roll call, please.
Sorry, give me 1 second.
Okay. And Mr. Vice Chair, can you take over right quick? I have a call from my father's in the hospital. Can you take over for me? Thank you.
Yes, and best wishes.
Vice Chair Colleen, would you like me to continue with the roll call vote?
Is it a roll call vote or is it a voice vote for a recommendation?
Roll call.
Then that's what we need to have. Thank you.
Okay. Commissioner Mareki,
Yes.
Commissioner Dobb,
Yes.
Commissioner Anderson,
Yes.
Vice Chair Colleen,
All right.
and Chair Baker McCormick, I believe, is on the phone. Should we give her a minute?
I think she indicated that she had to leave the meeting. I see her face is still up there, but I don't think she'll be casting a vote.
Okay. Motion passes.
Thank you. Next item, please.
We are moving to item F, such other matters as may be properly submitted before the committee.
I have none. Does anybody have some such other matters? Some such other matters. Hearing none, Madam Clerk, next item, please.
We're moving to item G, public comments.
All right, let's put 2 minutes on public comment, please. And do we have any emails?
I received no emails, but everyone has been asked to unmute themselves.
Okay, so I guess then we'll go to public comment on the phone through Zoom. Please raise your hand and you'll get called on.
We have a hand from Robert Pawlowski. Sorry about that pronunciation.
No, you're good. It's Pulowski. You're all good. Good afternoon, everyone. Robert Pulowski here, calling in from South Lake County. First thing I'd like to address is thank you for lifting the mask mandates. It was hugely needed over the course of this past 2 years. The one thing I'd just like to ask is, why did it take us this long to do it? It could have been done sooner. The masks don't work. Like I've said before, the masks don't work. The vaccine does not work. It barely works for certain people. The biggest thing is immunity. Immunity will get us there, not vaccines. Vaccines shouldn't be forced on people. And I'm trying to just, why are we still pushing the vaccines if the mask mandate's been lifted? It should be an option, not a choice. And stop, and I think putting more money into it is just going to put Wayne County more in the hole when we've already lifted mask mandates. Please give me an answer on that. And just, why did we take this long to lift mask mandates? It's now almost March. Just need an answer there. That's really about it. But at least we got a little bit of normalcy. So thank you again for lifting the mask mandates. And like you said at the commissioners meeting, good things are happening in Wayne County. So keep up the good work and thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Pulowski. Madam Clerk, anybody else raised a hand?
We do have a hand from Commissioner Anderson.
Oh, yeah, there's a member of the public, Commissioner Anderson.
I guess I'm putting my public hat on, but I'm just, I just wanted to make a correction. The commission did not put the mandate on or take it off. Just to clear the record up for the gentleman that was misinformed. But anyway, just wanted that to be clear. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Commissioner. But I'm just going to remind you that we do not respond in public comment. But be that as it may, Madam Clerk, I'm anxiously scanning to see if there's anybody else that would like to have public comment that's on Zoom.
We have a hand from Bryce Green.
All right, Mr. Green, unmute yourself, and you got 2 minutes to talk to the committee.
Okay, how are you today? My name is Bryce Green. I represent James Cole Funeral Home in Detroit, and I was trying to ask a quick question. I was invited to this meeting to discuss matters of the Wayne County Medical Examiner, to see what steps are going to be provided for funeral homes, to see what we can do about speeding up the process that the Wayne County Medical Examiner currently has to get cremation permits done, and also getting death certificates signed and filed as well from the Wayne County Medical Examiner, and trying to see what can be done as well about the pending death certificates from the Wayne County Medical Examiner. Sometimes they take up to a year to actually place the cause of death on a death certificate. And of course, the family then comes back to us here at the funeral home and jumps on us about that. But just trying to see if there's anything, if this is the right forum for it, or in this meeting, will we be discussing anything about Wayne County Medical Examiner and trying to streamline their process a little bit better.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm dropping you a note in the chat, sir. The last speaker, Mr. Green.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody, any other hands? I didn't see Mr. Green's. I don't know how I missed that when it came. Madam Clerk, do we have any other hands up?
Not that I can see.
Okay, so I'm going to make one more call for public comment. Have any emails come in the meantime, Madam Clerk?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, there you have it. Thank you for the public comment. And Madam Clerk, I'm ready to move the agenda.
We're moving to item H, adjournment.
Move to adjourn.
Support.
The chair will rule that without objection, we stand adjourned. Thank you very much, everyone.
Aye.
Thank you, everyone.